Welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to discuss about mutual funds. After seeing my previous videos, a lot of people are contacting me in WhatsApp and in call to start fresh mutual fund investments and to know about the basics of mutual funds. In general, beginners in mutual funds investments are asking 10-20 common questions. So, in this video, I am going to share with you about the 10-20 common questions the beginners are asking, and I am sharing the answers also. So, this will be a very informative video for even those people who does not have the basic knowledge about mutual funds or about stock markets. So I tried to make this video as simple as possible. Even the video is bit lengthy. Please watch it till the end. It will be very informative for you. So let's move into the video. The first and mostly asked questions about mutual funds is, I don't know anything about mutual funds. What is this mutual funds is all about? I hope you all know what a mutual fund is. Mutual fund means a common fund of mine and yours. The concept is same for mutual funds also. Mutual funds means collecting money from investors and invest that bulk money in different financial instruments. The second question is, mutual funds are safe enough to invest our money? Will they escape with our money? We all know that banks in India are regulated by the Reserve Bank of India. Similarly, mutual funds and stock market in India are regulated by a central government body called SEBI. SEBI is Security Exchange Board of India. SEBI's chairman is appointed by Union government. Two members are appointed by Union Finance Ministry. One person is appointed by Reserve Bank of India. And also, if a company want to start a mutual funds business, they need to give application to SEBI. SEBI has strict guidelines for these companies and they will thoroughly check the financial stability of these companies. So, SEBI is also as strong as Reserve Bank and they are regulating mutual fund industry in India. So, no one can escape with your money in a fine morning. Question number 3. Where do these mutual fund companies invest my money? Mutual fund companies should partner with an asset management company. This asset management company appoints a fund manager to manage your investments. Generally, your money will be invested in three baskets. 1. Shares of good companies listed in India. 2. Gold. 3. Government bonds and white papers. Bonds and white papers are assured return assets better than FDs. Here, we should be aware that exposure of our money in these three baskets will vary in each mutual fund schemes. So, we should select our mutual fund schemes based on our time horizon and the risk appetite. Question number 4. If mutual funds companies are investing my money in share market, why cannot I directly invest my money in equity market using my Demat account, right? My question is, if you have a lot of shares in your Demat account at the market peak, okay, so what will you do if the market starts crashing? Definitely, a retail investor try to protect his capital and pull out maximum profit. But he will miss the bottom and will not buy any shares in the crash. But mutual fund companies will keep on buying the shares in the crash also. Then your average prices of your shares will get lower. Your number of shares will increase, and once the market is back to the peak, the profit percentage will be higher. Question number 5. How can I transfer my money to buy a mutual fund scheme? The first requirement for investing in mutual funds is an account for mutual fund investment. Please check the description box. I have given a link to open an account for mutual funds investments. Please send me a message before clicking on that link so that I can guide you step by step about opening an account for mutual fund investments. My contact number is also given in the description box. So while opening an account for mutual fund investments, we need to provide our account number from which they should take the money for investment. If you set like take money 5th of every month, then money will be deducted every month at the same date and documents for your purchase will be sent to your email. Question number 6. Why should I invest in mutual funds? The average age of people who are coming to me for fresh mutual funds investment lies between 30 and 32. There is a reason behind this. Everyone will enjoy their 20s and will get married at late 20s. They will have kids at 30s and then only they will start about saving their money. There is nothing wrong in this because our system is like this only. At 30s, they will think like, I want to save money for a new house. I want money for my kids' education, for their marriage, money for my retirement, and the list goes on. What I meant is mutual fund investments should be based on any of your long-term financial goals. Question number 7. The cost for building a house is 30 lakhs now. But after 10 years, we cannot build a house for this 30 lakhs, right? So how can I set my financial goal? Let us go to Google and search for inflation adjusted calculators. Cost of a thing is increasing mainly because of inflation. So if we adjust inflation to the current cost, we will get the estimated future amount. So we are clicking on the first result. Here I am giving 30 lakhs as the current cost. In August 2023, inflation in India was 6.8 percentage. So we are giving the same 6.8 percentage here. So inflation is 6.8. Time period here is 10 years. So here we are getting the result as 57 lakhs. So if the current cost for building a house is 30 lakhs, the cost will be 57 lakhs after 10 years. Question number 8. How much money I need to save in order to achieve my financial goals? How much money I need to invest in mutual funds in order to achieve my financial goals? For this also, we are going to Google and search for SIP calculators. Here we are clicking on the first result. So in our example, we require 57 lakhs for a house after 10 years, right? So let us give 10,000 rupees as monthly investments here. Let us give 12% as a return. Time period is 10 years. So here if we invest 10,000 rupees per month in mutual funds, we will get 23 lakhs rupees after 10 years. Let us increase our monthly investments. If we invest 25,000 per month, then our capital after 10 years will be 57 lakhs. This is how we will plan our savings for future financial goals. Question number 9. Is there any risk in mutual fund investments? What is this subjected to market risk stuff? Yes, mutual funds have risk. Yes, mutual funds have risk, but in short term. If you buy gold today and try to sell after 10 days, possibility of loss is there, right? But if you are selling after 10 years, then definitely your investments will get good return. Same concept applies to mutual funds also. Even even then, selection of mutual fund schemes are really important for better return in long term. Question number 10. Should I give any fees for these mutual fund companies? Yes, mutual fund companies will get some fees from you for the services they are providing. As per SEBI's regulation, this fees should not exceed 2.5% of your capital. This fees is called expense ratio. For direct schemes, expense ratio will be less, and for regular schemes, expense ratio will be comparatively 1% higher than direct schemes but will not exceed 2.5%. Question number 11. Can mutual fund companies levy any fees they want? No, they cannot. They cannot levy expense ratio more than 2.5%. Question number 12. If we sell out our investments, how long it will take to get our money back into our account? It will not take more than 2 working days if you sell your investments. Question number 13. I am an NRI. Can I invest my money in Indian mutual funds? Yes, even though you are an NRI, you can invest your money in Indian mutual funds. But if you are living in US or Canada, there are some restrictions for you to invest in Indian mutual funds. But please contact me in my contact number. We can talk about this. Question number 14. How can I save my tax using mutual funds? Equity linked saving schemes, ELSS. Investments are exempted from tax up to 1.5 lakhs. Be aware that this 1.5 lakhs is exempted only for that financial year, and the amount will be locked for 3 years. You will get returns from the stock market for this 1.5 lakhs. Question number 15. What are direct schemes and how they differ from regular schemes? If you choose your intelligence to select a mutual fund scheme and you buy that mutual fund scheme directly from the website of that AMC, then it is called a direct scheme. If you are buying a mutual fund scheme using the advice of a mutual fund advisor, then that is called regular scheme. As I told earlier, the expense ratio will be bit higher for regular schemes. But if we compare the returns, regular schemes may give you better returns. Question number 16. I do not know anything about mutual funds, but I want to invest in mutual funds. What should I do? If you have no idea which scheme to buy, then it is better to go for a regular plan. That means find a mutual fund advisor like me and start your investment journey. If you have enough knowledge to choose the funds, go for the direct schemes. Question number 17. I just got a job. I do not have a bulk amount to invest in mutual funds. What is the minimum amount that can be invested in mutual funds? First thing you should have in mutual fund investment is the mind to invest. You can start your mutual fund investments even with 1,000 rupees per month. and you can increase your investment anytime you want. Question number 18. I want to teach my kids about mutual funds investments. Can I open an account for them? Yes, you can open an account for them. But if the kids are minor, below 18 years, your KYC should be submitted. Question number 19. How to invest in a regular scheme? Who can help me to find a good mutual fund investment? The persons who can advise you on mutual funds are known as mutual funds advisors. But not everyone can be a mutual fund advisor. SEBI conducts an all India exam for mutual fund advisors. Those persons who clear this exam can only advise people on mutual funds. Question number 20. Did you clear this SEBI's exam? Yes, I did. Only those who cleared this exam can help you to select the best mutual fund schemes even in YouTube. I am a registered and qualified mutual fund advisor. Question number 21. Which company's mutual fund schemes do you advise? I am advising mutual funds under the platform called Funds Bazaar. In Funds Bazaar, every mutual fund schemes in India are available. I can pick the best mutual fund schemes for you based on your age, income, and risk-taking ability. Question number 22. Which company does Funds Bazaar belongs to? Is this company registered? Funds Bazaar belongs to a company called Prudent Corporate Advisory Services. Prudent is a SEBI registered company and listed in Indian stock market, currently trading at 1,300 rupees. Question number 23. I do not have time to buy or manage mutual funds. How can I invest in mutual funds? I have given a link in the description box along with my contact number. If you use this link to open an account, I will be your mutual funds advisor. In our platform, I can set a portfolio for you and this portfolio will be reflected in your mobile application Fund Bazaar. You just execute the order and SIP will be placed. Simple as that. Question number 24. Is there any special fees for you? Is there any fees other than the expense ratio? No, I cannot take any money from you. My agreement is with the mutual fund company where you invest in. Question number 25. I don't like to start an account using the link in the description box. Is there any other way to start mutual fund investment? Sure. Send your PAN number in this WhatsApp number. I can open an account for you. Question number 26. If I start an account, how long it will take to get activated? If your KYC is registered, we can start account within 20 minutes. Else it will take 2 working days. These are the questions I got from the beginners about mutual funds investments. If you have any doubts other than this, please ping me on this WhatsApp number and shoot your questions. I am a registered and qualified mutual funds advisor. I can set you a best portfolio depending on your age and income. I will be your investment advisor as long as you are invested in Funds Bazaar. So we will achieve your financial goals together. Happy investing.